In a vast and vibrant coral reef lived a Moray eel named Moro. Moro was known for his quick wit and agile movements, but he lacked one quality that his friends admired in him: patience. One day, a pearl of great value was rumored to be hidden deep within the reef. All the creatures of the sea were in a frenzy, eager to find it. However, the pearl was guarded by a formidable crab, who was known for his cunning and strength. Moro, eager to prove his worth, decided to confront the crab. But as he approached, the crab laughed and said, "You may have speed, Moro, but I have wisdom. I know where the pearl is hidden, but it is guarded by a powerful creature. Only those who show patience can defeat it." Moro was disheartened but determined. Every day, he tried to find the pearl, but each time he failed. His friends began to lose faith in him, whispering among themselves that Moro was not fit to find the pearl. One day, Moro came across a strange stone. It was smooth and shiny, and when he picked it up, it felt as if a calming presence enveloped him. Moro felt a sense of peace wash over him, and he realized that this was the patience stone. With renewed determination, Moro returned to his quest. Each day, he would hold the patience stone close to his heart, and he found that he could think more clearly and act more calmly. He began to notice things he had overlooked before, and one day, he found the pearl. The crab was surprised to see Moro return with the pearl. "I didn't think you had it in you, Moro," he said. "But I see that the patience stone has brought you wisdom." Moro smiled. "Indeed it has. I learned that patience is not about waiting for things to happen, but about seeing things as they are and taking action when the time is right." From that day on, Moro was no longer known just for his quick wit and agile movements, but also for his newfound patience. And the patience stone remained with him, a constant reminder of the power of patience and the wisdom it can bring. Moral * patience is a virtue that leads to wisdom and success. It is not about waiting passively, but about seeing things clearly and acting at the right time.